morning, friend, all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the BOCW Act 1996. As a safety professional, you should know the rules and act that is for your work purpose. If you are a good knowledgeable person, then you can make a perfect and good health safety culture at project. If you are poor knowledge, then how they can handle the situation of in any case of legal and others some hazards. So guys, we have to discuss about the BOCW Act. What is BOCW Act? Building and Other Construction Workers Act 1996. This act establishment in first day of March 1996. This is main purpose of this act: regulate the employer of condition of service building workers and provided the health, safety and welfare measure with connected aid others matters there with accident theory. Be it enacted by Parliament 47 years of Republic Day of India as follow. There is total 11 chapter is there mentioned in this act, and also 64 sections there in this act. So we have discussed about the 11th chapter. First chapter, preliminary. Second thing, registration of establishment. Third is second is advisory committee and expert committee. Third is there mentioned registration of establishment. Fourth is there registration of building workers as beneficiary. Fifth is there building and others construction worker welfare board. Sixth is there working hour welfare measure and other condition of service of BOCW, building and other construction workers. Seventh is there mentioned health safety measures, means safety health measures. Eighth is there mentioned inspecting of staff. Ninth is there special provision. Tenth is there mentioned penalty and procedure. 11th is there mentioned miscellaneous. The regulate employer of condition service other construction worker to provide health, safety, welfare and other matter connected with accident theory. This is main purpose of regulate the employment condition of service, welfare, health, safety and leave wages. That is main purpose of this act regulate by the government. You know that what is act? This is important to know act and the rules. What is act? Act passed by our Constitution of India and rules made by state government. Suppose that our Constitution of India write 7 मौलिक अधिकार of public, then this is need to be know entire whole India should be follow that calls act. Rules means government power to state government that can make a rules by as per required your state. Suppose that simple one example for our workplace. Safety policy, you know, to by examples we can understand safety policy expressed by managing director, means that is our parliament. Suppose that we have, this is a act, by example this is a act for entire organization, and that act, and there is mentioned by one power authorized to project manager, general manager by director. They can make some rules at construction project. Suppose that we are working at a construction project, we have to make a rules. There is no allow above the 15 years old workers because of there is high risky work in progress. This is decided on workplace and project. There is no any instruction by and act by our managing director. So that called rules and act passed by government, our constitution of India, and also rules made by state government with respect to legal legislation. So guys, we can understand about this. First we have discussed pre-millenary. Pre-millenary also there is two sections. First is short title and commencement and application, and second thing is there mention definition of some related the construction work. Suppose that appropriate government means in relation the establishment in respect which the appropriate government under the industrial dispute 1947 that call appropriate government. So there is also mentioned and many definitions. Suppose that worker definitions who has worked at construction project, project semi-skilled, skilled technicals and technical and supervisory category that call workers. So there is many definition is there, but we have discussed on this short. You can see that definition if any confusion too. Second thing, advisory committee and expert committee. What is advisory committee and expert committee? And expert committee means government recognize and government authorized to on establish 2-3 types of committee members: central committee members, central committee members, and state committee members, and advisory committee members. Advisory expert committee members means state government, central government also committee members will there. Total members 18 in central government, and 11 to 14 state government, and expert committee also monitoring the regulate and make a rules and regulation by advice to state government and appropriate government. They can make a rule and find out the gap. Both committee members working related the work building and other construction workers. Suppose that advisory committee is state committee members monitoring entire construction rule regulation and central government also doing same, and expert committee advice to any rule, regulation, deviation. If any accident happen at project, what have mistake there is mentioned in legal requirement, our legal. Then amendment, every years you know that amendment will be come, and some changes has been there because of this is made by committee members. There is and ex-servicemen also, architects, construction workers, engineers, insurance person, all committee members involvement, and equal one workers also, workers experience engineers also included in this committee members. Registration of establishment. If you are going to start any construction work, need to be submit the application and registration of establishment, your project registered in government office, and applications and license registrations should be within 16 days. So this is main purpose of establishment of registration by employer within the 16 days. If any problems to, there is also section will be there, revocations registration, appeals, effective non-registrations. You can guide that. If you are any confusion, if you are any problem, you are going to submitted some construction work, there is also submitted to some manufacturing work, that may be he revoked your applications, and again we can proceed that. After the registration of building worker as beneficiary, this is chapter number 4, registration of building workers. So who as beneficiary? Workers. If workers working 12 month, if workers working 12 month in 90 days, who has liable to register beneficiary as under government. So need to be completed 18 years and not more than 16 years. They have eligible to beneficiary as under government control. There is also cessation of some charges will be 50 rupees per persons, also contribution collected by the government and submitted to government. Identity card should be also. If you have beneficiary any workers, government also provided a beneficiary cards. Card also employers need to be monitor, register, and regular basis maintain it. Registration of beneficiary also recorded in your register as per given by as per government body. Effective non-payment of contribution. Suppose that we have discussed about the 50 rupees per person chargeable. If you are not paid to charge by employer, maybe your beneficiary cessation and cancel due to that reason. Building and other construction worker welfare board. Welfare, every state government shall be appointment constitution of board. Know that other construction worker welfare responsibility perform to under the section. So this is also members of government secretary and other officer board, meeting boards,